Alright, here's my bike check. We're going to start from the handlebars and work our way down to the back end. So, first things first is grips. I have Aaron Ross grips in neon pink because of October, which was Breast Cancer Awareness Month, just in case you didn't know. And I haven't changed them yet. I'll be doing that soon. We have Shell Conspiracy Voltus bars in 8.25 rise. It was 28 inches, but I cut them down a little bit. So I don't know how much they are now. Then I have a stolen convict top load stem. A Shell Conspiracy Corvus headset with it a little lower on the fork, so I have some spacers above it. I know some people are gonna say it looks stupid, but it helps with hang fives and stuff. And then I have a stolen Vortex SSL fork, a stolen Thermalite Peg G-Sport MK3 hub guard with a Demolition Phantom female hub laced with 14 gauge spokes to a Sputnik forward front rim, or a Sputnik forward rim. Demolition Momentum tire, some random inner tube, I don't know. Then we have, for our frame, we have a Bone Death Living Dead frame in 21 inch top tube, Alex Live signature frame. So one piece seat, I don't know, I just wanted a one piece seat. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, watermelon green with the black caps, stolen mob cranks. And then for internals, I have an Animal BB. I have Animal PC BB. I have a Sputnik cap over here on this side or whatever, dust cover, because the other one was too big. So that's what too long for my for the spindle or whatever. Stolen class ring. Then we have for a chain, KMC chain. I don't know, it hasn't broken yet, so it's worthy. No. Animal MK3 peg with a Eastern birectional hub guard. Or not Eastern birectional, Eastern pop and lock hub guard. Eastern birectional hub with laced up with Primo 14 gauge spokes to a Primo 7 series balance rim. Bullet cap in front and in back, obviously. Then another Demolition Momentum tire. Now for specs, like I said, I have my stem a little lower on the fork, and for hang fives, and then I got the Shadow Conspiracy, then I cut down my bars for bar spins. Have my seat slammed. For tire pressures, I like 60 in the back because it's a thin tire, and 70 in the front because, you know, it's thick and bouncy. Other than that, I really don't think there's anything else. Thanks for watching this how-to, not how-to. I will be doing how-tos if I know the trick and you ask it, or if I want to do it, or if I can, if I can do it. So that will be one of the things. And then I'll be doing part checks if I have the part or can get it and want it and stuff. So thank you for watching. Oh, and for how-tos and stuff or part checks, please ask me. Just leave a comment on this video, and I'll see if I can do it. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe.